Hi guys and welcome in my dream Wonderland, and today I'm trying to make a fluffy big slime. And if you are new here, make sure to click the subscribe button, click the bell icon so you don't miss any of my videos. Also, if you like this video, then make sure to click the like button. So yeah, let's get started. So here are some ingredients to make slime. So you will need some glue and a shaving foam, some activator. I'm using shaving cream, more glues, and something to mix with, and something to make your slime in. So let's get started. So first you have to pour it glue. Let's pour in. Ooh. So next one. So tight. I think it's gonna be big. Next one. Out. Okay. Okay. So let's add shaving foam. I think that's enough. Let's mix it. Ooh. Ooh. This looks so fluffy. Comment down below what is your favorite slime, type of slime. Mine is fluffy, so that I'm making a fluffy slime. Mix well. And, oh no. Okay. I already want to touch this slime. My arm is already tired. Okay. So time to activate. So, yeah. I'm using shaving cream. Let's put. Looks like we'll need too much. I mean, okay. Spoon is gonna be sinking there. Okay. Is it activating or not? Okay. I think I'll need more. Oh God. Okay. I'm so tired mixing this. Okay. See, here's like a big chunk here over here. It's activator a little bit. I'm so tired. I think I'll need more. I think I'm gonna be going with my hand. Oh, so fun. Ooh. Guys, it's so messy in here. And it's not foaming, by the way. It's so hard and my arms are so tired. Ooh. My table is totally covered with this nasty slime, and I'm literally so tired. And it's been like it's been like half hour I'm making this slime, and yeah, it is just too fluffy, and I think I added too much. So you know, yeah, and guys, and yes. And if you want to follow me on TikTok, then here is the name. It's Pratana Shrestha. You can follow me. And you can also follow me on Instagram. I have 2 Instagram accounts. One is Pratana Shrestha and Pratana Slimes. Make sure you follow me if you want. I can make the bubble. And it's still sticky because my one activator. Look at this. It took 4 hours. Half hour. So yeah, I don't really know if it is going to fit in this box or not. It's giant. I was trying to make a big slime, but I never thought it was gonna be big this much. And yeah, I can make big straws. And yeah, actually my t-shirt is also covered with this messy slime, and it's so sticky. I don't know how can I play with this slime. Really? Look at me, my hand.
This is my first ever slime that I made. First ever big slime. I never made big slime before.
I made this slime, and it took me forever to make it. And yes, and here's some bubbles that came, and Let's do ASMR. So satisfying. And yeah, I love the slime, and I put this in this big box. See how big it is. Ooh. And it is much bigger than it looks on camera. And I also have stick this milk here in the lid of this box. And yeah, and that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I really enjoyed. Hope you guys also enjoyed it. And if you did enjoy this video, then make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. I worked really hard to make this video, and it should get a 1,000 like. And yeah, love you guys. Bye.